Kasngi ba jong Dorbar Mang Tyngka yang Dorbar Tauan ke Jela Meghalaya hakakat kendai terik rempang jar pusau kelas dang da Jubab Myntri badai kemi ikatanat kami lekai uba syakler wajri halor ke sapriang kidur ringkat ki Jingkynnoh ki bakeno bagi kena lekai na ki distrik bape jong ke Jela ki balek benesim mentah ke lempung lekai Meghalaya Games jar pusau kabla long hatura kabla sedang hakakat santerik ukula lengkot jar pusau ki yo Jingbam Khutia Mutia tang da ki chips kurkure ki shana all in one ki sok fruity badet bat ki samosa. Haba Jubab ka kenta keli jingkeli ubak syakler wajri uloang. Bahaka sengi khat santerik bawan play ke lempung daga Presiden keri India ka Draupadi Murmu kibun bahaki kendon ki bahap panbut bat kumta ki Jingbam ki lapoi dirpor bat la ai ki noi lekai dagi Jingbam Khutia Mutia. Unong Tauan ke Voice of the People's Party na nongkram uba arden mele besayumat halor kene ke Jubab na Myntri ula bu jingkeli laga sarkar ka thuet na ban pengat kendon ya ke bepen sapriang ki dur video ha ka bala shimru da ki lat pathai kubor bad ya kene uba syakler ulang bakam syam ladon kanu ko sin jam ban penshitam.
Minister in charge, Salika Wajri.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 1. No, sir. Light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebrations of the Games, which also include the visit of the Honorable President of India as a chief guest.
Yes.
Sir, I would indeed be shocked if the reply is yes, because I know that the government will always be in a denial mode. So, sir, my question here is whether the government, the sport department supplied junk foods to the athletes during the Meghalaya Games 2024 held at Tura. And the reply is no. So, sir, it is further replied that light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebration of the Games, which also include the visit of the Honorable President of India as a chief guest. So, sir, do you mean that the athletes and the manager cannot differentiate between the snacks served during the visit of the president and the food that they are supposed to get?
That's clear.
Sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, due to the visit of the Honorable President of India to grace the occasion as the chief guest, there were certain protocols that we had to follow. So hence, in the morning we've asked all the athletes to have a heavy breakfast, and before leaving all the venues, we've asked them to serve brunch as well, sir. So due to the visit of the Honorable President, so certain protocols we had to follow. That is the main reason why, sir, during the day we only served snacks, light snacks, but then an early dinner was served as well, sir.
Sir, immediately after the news spread that athletes were served with junk foods, there has been a hue and cry across the state, especially against the state government. So I feel that this is a very bad news to be circulated. So may I know what action has been taken? May I know what action has been taken on the part of the government against those media houses or anyone who spread that kind of news?
So no action was taken, sir, regarding that matter, because, sir, I think not everyone has spread. Maybe 1 or 2 person has gotten that photo, has spread the photo. So there was no question of having to hold someone accountable for it, sir.
No, sir, because there is a video being circulated through news media that a manager of those athletes expressed displeasure and disappointment about the food being served to the athletes. So you cannot deny the fact that the news was circulated and the people of the state have seen that news.
So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, so we're not denying, sir, but then, like I said, sir, we have taken a decision to only serve light snacks because the Honorable President of India had visited, and there were so many protocols that we had to follow. So hence, sir, that was the main reason why we served the light snacks. But then, sir, in the world of social media, as you know, everyone can spread anything at any time. and maybe 1 or 2 persons, sir, who has gotten that video, has taken that video and has spread it across the state. So, like I said, we decided to serve light snacks was only due, because of the visit of the Honorable President of India, sir.